Venezuelan crude makes up only around 1% of global supply. So even if there is a disruption, it does not automatically send prices higher. जब US और Venezuela के बीच tension बढ़ा, तब the first question everyone asked was what happens to oil and how does this impact India and Indian companies. Now the thing is, markets don't react to supply alone, they react to fear. So geopolitical tension एक risk premium add करता है that alone can push oil prices upward. So far, oil supply OPEC plus US shale, Brazil और गुयाना से सपोर्ट हो रहा है. फिर भी अनसर्टेनिटी मार्केट में वॉलेटिलिटी लाती है. ऑयल प्राइसेस दोनों डायरेक्शन में मूव कर सकते हैं. अपवर्ड प्रेशर जब एक्सपोर्ट्स रुक जाए या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डैमेज हो जाए, और फिर डाउनवर्ड प्रेशर अगर सिचुएशन स्टेबल हो जाए और वेनेजुएला फिर से इन्वेस्टमेंट्स अट्रैक्ट करे. इन शॉर्ट, प्राइसेस may not spike sharply but volatility will stay elevated. Now, what about India? India imports almost 85% of its crude. इसलिए global oil price movements directly inflation, rupee और fiscal situation को impact करता है. लेकिन वेनेजुएला का direct impact is minimal because India currently buys little or no Venezuela crude due to sanctions. So immediate supply disruption का risk काफी low है. The real impact, however, is through global pricing. A sustained 10% rise in crude can reduce India's GDP growth by almost 0.15% to 0.30% and increase CPI inflation. Higher crude prices रूपी को वीक कर देता है और RBI के पास रेट कट्स करने की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी कम कर सकता है. Refiners जैसे कि Reliance और IOC have seen mild gains as market price in volatility and changing margins. और upstream firms जैसे कि ONGC विदेश hold old stakes in Venezuelan fields. अगर sanctions ease हुए तो they could unlock production and pending dividends of almost $1 billion. So for India, Venezuela से immediate supply shock का risk नहीं है. Global price swings still matters for inflation, the rupee and trade balance. Upstream firms को benefit मिल सकता है अगर sanctions relax हुए, और refiners के margins भी price change के साथ shift हो सकते हैं. Now, ये नए साल 2026 में do you think कि rising geopolitical risk will shape global markets more than economic data? What are your views? Comment below. Also, इसी तरह global market related updates, stock market related updates के लिए subscribe to Kotak Securities YouTube channel and also follow us on all our social media platforms. We hope आपको ये वीडियो helpful लगा हो. Do share it with your friends and families and stay tuned for more updates.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.